Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing the software version on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to view the software version on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Info in the bottom left corner of the infotainment system. Then choose System Information from the options. Tap Software Version. Here you can see the car's software version. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.